What is up, Grow Fam? Today, we are building the ultimate luxury suite for your plants. We're talking 5-star, all-inclusive, Egyptian cotton sheets level of comfort for the vegetative cycle. If you want your girls to look like they vetting the gym and drinking nothing but green smoothies, you need the right soil. Let's get dirty. Before we add the spice, we need to meet the skeleton of our mix. For a 5-gallon fabric pot, drainage is your best friend. We're starting with ProMix HP or BX as our base. HP is high porosity, which is great if you have a heavy hand with the watering can, while BX holds a bit more moisture. Both are a blank canvas for our nutrients. To that, we're adding a little extra perlite, those white rocks that look like styrofoam. They provide aeration because roots need to breathe. If the soil is too tight, your plant suffocates. Now we are adding a secret weapon, biochar. Think of biochar as a permanent coral reef for your soil. It's a porous, carbon-rich material that never breaks down. It acts like a massive battery bank, holding on to nutrients and water so they don't wash away, and providing a safe neighborhood for beneficial microbes to multiply. Now, let's talk about the buffet. This is the down-to-earth lineup that actually feeds the beast. First, we have worm castings, our black gold. It's a gentle, slow-release nitrogen source loaded with microbes. Next is alfalfa meal, which contains a natural growth stimulant called triocontanol. It's like a shot of espresso for your plant's metabolism, helping it build mass fast. For the bones, we're using fish bone meal for phosphorus to explode those root systems. If you're ever deficient here, you'll see the stems turn purple and growth will just stop. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce, azomite. This is crushed volcanic rock, and it is a mineral powerhouse. It contains over 60 trace elements, but the MVP here is silica. Think of silica like the plant's suit of armor. It gets absorbed and literally deposited into the cell walls, making them thick and rigid. But here's the pro tip. Silica needs a workout to reach its full potential. When you have a fan blowing a gentle breeze on your plants, it creates micro-stresses. The plant responds by pumping that silica to those areas, reinforcing the stalk until it's like a woody trunk. But azomite isn't just a one-trick pony. It's packed with other heavy hitters like magnesium and iron, which are the backbone of that deep emerald green we all love. It also brings boron to the table, which is the project manager. For calcium, it tells the plant exactly where to put that calcium to build new growth. You'll even find molybdenum in there, which the plant uses to convert those nitrates into usable energy. If that silica wine trick just blew your mind, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that this isn't just mud talk, it's actual science. And if you're new here, subscribe to Growers Tips so you never miss a chance to level up your garden. We're also adding langbeinite triple threat of potassium, magnesium, and sulfur. Sulfur is the unsung hero. It's what gives your plant those pungent, dank aromas later on. To prep for the flower cycle, we are front-loading calcium using oyster shell flour. A calcium deficiency looks like rusty brown spots on new growth, so don't skip the shells. We're also adding a bit of kelp meal for stress resistance and dolomite lime to keep the pH from crashing. And finally, a dash of Epsom salt for a hit of magnesium, the heart of the chlorophyll molecule. Now, here's the most important part. You have to cook the soil. When you mix raw, dry amendments into soil, they aren't food yet. You need the microbes to wake up and start chewing on those amendments. Mix everything in a big tote and mist it with water until it feels like a wrung-out sponge. Put a lid on it and let it sit in a warm spot for 10 days. This is called activating the nutrients. During this time, the fungi and bacteria are breaking down those minerals into a nutrient smoothie. If you skip this, the soil can get physically hot as it breaks down, which will fry your delicate baby roots. When you're finally ready to move your plant into its new home, don't forget the mycorrhizae. Sprinkle this fungi directly onto the root ball. It turns a standard root system into a supercharged, nutrient-absorbing machine. Mix this up, keep the breeze light, and watch those girls explode. If you want to dive deeper into the science, check out my soil food web or super soil playlists. If you're just here for the herbs and the gardening videos, head over to the 420 related or gardening sections. Go have a look around, learn something new, and I'll see you in the next one.